It was nearly midnight when Sarah stepped into the office elevator. The building was silent. She pressed B1, the parking level, and leaned back, tired from a long day. The elevator began to descend. The floor display showed 5, 4, 3. Then, suddenly, it jumped to 1. 2 floors, gone without a sound. The doors open. But this wasn't the lobby. The hallway outside was darker, colder, and completely unfamiliar. Sarah stepped out. Old numbers were marked on the doors: 2A, 2B, 2C. The air was heavy. She realized she was on the second floor, the one the elevator had skipped. She turned to go back. But the elevator was gone. Only a blank wall stood behind her, like it had never been there at all. She moved quickly, but every hallway was the same. Every turn brought her back to 2A, 2B, 2C, like walking in a circle. Then came the sound, soft breathing, not hers. Then whispers, not words, just noise, but they felt close, too close. A door creaked open on its own. It was 2C. Light spilled out from inside. Sarah moved toward it, unsure why. Inside were mirrors, fogged, cracked, old. Only one was clear. In it, she saw herself, but not alone. A tall figure stood behind her, still watching. The mirror slammed shut. The floor vanished beneath her. She fell. Then, gasped awake, inside the elevator again. B1 blinked on the screen. The elevator doors opened. This time, it was real. Parking lot, lights, normal sounds. But her phone was open. A photo of her in the mirror with him still behind.
Hello, and welcome to my channel. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for more videos.